Drop it.
So what's up guys, welcome back again. So for today's video is I will teach you how to change the sky using only KINEMASTer. So let's start. First, tap the video, go to color filter and tap the X-ray filter, and then back, go to color adjustment, put the exposure to -30 and put in a high level the contrast and saturation. Dapat ganyan ang magiging kalabasan. And then, export. And then, click layer, then media, and click the video that you edit earlier. Click the split screen and then whole frame. Back, go to chroma key and click enable. At dapat maging all white na yung object at dapat yung key color is color dark blue. And then back, go to color adjustment at dapat yung exposure is in a low level at dapat maging all black na siya. And then click layer and then media and put a green background on the video at dapat matakpan yung video ng green. Click the 3 dots on the left side and then click send to back. And then export. And back it into a natural video again. Click layer and then media and click the second video that you edit earlier. Click split screen and then whole frame. And then go to chroma key and click enable para mawala na yung green. At dapat yung key color is color black para ang sky natin is magiging green na. And then export it again. Then back the video into a natural style. Then ikat mo yung video kung saang part gusto mong mag-iba ang sky. Then add a sky footage like night sky or time-lapse clouds that you download. Click layer and then click the finished product that you edit earlier. Then click the split screen and then whole frame. At ikaw na mag-adjust kung yung sky kung mababagay ba sa yung video. Then go to chroma key and click enable at dapat mawala na yung green sky. At ikaw na bahalang mag-adjust ng detailed curve. Finish na. Ito na ang ating finished product. Thank you for watching.